prodigal husband when they call Two-Face, when he decide to end the marriage for social media, making us to believe say he don't drown in Jamaica in human form. Today now na the children when he not put into consideration before he dey make decision when he go scatter a family. Those children now na don't come to a rescue. My people, Two-Face ó ti lọ. Ó ti lọ o, Two-Face ó ti lọ. There is no hope anywhere for this man. No hope. After Two-Face post a secret video of what Natasha and the mama they use, his eyes till they see, Two-Face decided to make a secret recording. He don't send that secret record. That secret video record, he don't reach Two-Face children hand. The children first see the video, they wanted to ignore their father. Because at the end of the day, if you look at Two-Face not try. They suppose even leave and make it collect these battles. But he get to a certain extent. When Two-Face children see the way Natasha, they treat their papa, they say no. This man go buy one day. He go buy and they'll say, he just for it buy. They'll just talk one thing. After all, they are billionaire. They can use their billionaire to quiet anything. Yes, of course. Now Two-Face children decided to go in search of their father. Two-Face children decided to go and find their father. Because at this point, like I told you people, Two-Face never come outside. So when they saw the video, they decided to call their father first. Two-Face not the pick. As they call, now Natasha pick phone. They tell Natasha, say, where their papa? Natasha say their papa they fine. He they busy. They stay in their studio. Now they say, okay, when they fit they talk to her, they say, me, Natasha say me, if he call, he go call them. These children wait. They see, say, no call from their papa. And waiting Natasha no know, say, Two-Face already send the video of where Natasha and the family, they gbas bosa. Now the children decided to go on their own. They pack themselves and they go to Two-Face house. Go meet Two-Face and Natasha. Yes, they go meet them. As they reach there, they tell Natasha, say, they won't talk to their papa. And Natasha called Two-Face come aside. When you see the way the children they do, you know say these children not complain. Now he called Two-Face come aside. As Two-Face come aside, the children see Two-Face they shock. If you see the man eye, if you see the man face, you pity him. Hey, my people. These children saw their father, but they post them. They surprised the way Natasha don't reduce their papa. If they look them, inside eyes, they tell them what they go through. Now they tell Natasha, say, what is happening to their father? They won't carry their papa come out. Natasha say, lie. Say, Two-Face not they go anywhere. How they will come, they'll say they won't carry her husband come out. Now the children call they follow Natasha, they drag her. Say they make their papa follow them. They get where they go. Natasha said that one not they happen. He said Two-Face not they step an inch out of here. He said Two-Face not they come up for there. Now dear now Isabella verse. Now Isabella tell Natasha, say, Natasha, if anything happened to his father, if anything happened to her father, they will hold you responsible. Now Natasha say, as how? Wait till you they hold her responsible. What did she do? She said her husband cannot leave the house. Her husband cannot leave. They have a little baby. Isabella tell Natasha, say, you see that little baby? Better let that little baby be their papa pikin. Because if not be their papa pikin, with everything what you don't do to their papa, you will pay dearly for it. You see that DNA test, they will still do it. Natasha come weak. Natasha think say this DNA test now between she and Two-Face. You don't know say Two-Face don't cry go tell the children wetin dey happen. Two-Face don't even send her to other people. Say, see wetin dey happen. Because the kind treatment wey they give Two-Face, be like say they won't buy this man. Be like say they won't buy her. They'll just they mash this man for ground. The children see Two-Face, they cry. Two-Face eyes, you can see the pains in his eyes. Me, I not pity now. Those who are my children, I make the pity now. You see me wait there for you, I not pity now. If Natasha can just tie the leg and the hand, make it lock her for there. Make it lock. And a woman come out that day, tell Two-Face, say, I'm pregnant. Whether na real, whether na fake, but the woman say, I'm pregnant. Is it that Two-Face knock the woman? Is it that in Nicodemus the woman? Any man will refuse to put the leg one place. Now wait till they receive na evidence. Hey, wonder they say shall never end. Before I continue, make I feel welcome now to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Gossip Big TV. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Gossip Big TV. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. May God Almighty bless you. Two-Face big children, they charge. They charge for Natasha. They tell Natasha, say if anything happened to their papa. They have all the video recording of what is going on. Natasha say, you say what? They say, make you no worry. Make one thing fair happen to their father. Now Natasha will know. Say, wait till they go on for year. Everything, they are very much aware of it. Hey, wonder shall never end though. The Isabella be won't just go there. Say, may they go carry their papa. But when they reach there, when they see the condition of Two-Face, Isabella charge. Aye, get picking and get picking. No, Isabella charge. Isabella charge. Now Isabella tell Natasha, say if anything happen to your papa, now that's how you go know say they get record of everything when it happen. Now Natasha charge say, record as her. He say make Natasha no worry. He say if Two-Face now your slave, will you even treat him like this? See the way you are treating a man because of DNA test. Natasha come weak. Because Natasha thinks say this DNA of a test now between she and Two-Face. Natasha come surprise say Two-Face children, they've already heard about the story. For where we hear, now Two-Face children no go here. Now task go school. Hey. Now the children tell her say anything concerning the DNA is none of their problem. Because their papa don't get 7 children. He supposed relax himself. All the children now don't grow. He's supposed to enjoy life. But he decided to go and start all over again. That is his business. The child is not their problem. Their problem is the way you are treating this man. Be careful. Be careful. Do everything you want to do to him, but not let anything happen to their papa. Not let anything happen to their papa. Say one leg, one hand, or one nose, they pain her. Natasha, you will know, say, Two-Face gets 7 children before you come in. And the 7 children, no one way they suck their mama Bobby. All of them don't grow. They go come here, come display for you. They go give you actions where you know will forget. It doesn't mean say their papa mumu at his age, they go they marry the born when he's supposed to they carry grandchildren. Doesn't mean that you should buy the man. This punishment where they give their papa, enough is enough. They don't come warn you. If they come again, they go carry their papa. They go carry their papa come for you. Natasha compose. Natasha compose. She was surprised. Who can go tell them? Who can go tell Two-Face children this whole thing? She was surprised. Hey, wonder shall never end, my people. Two-Face children were forced to go meet Natasha. The gbas must not be here. Oh. Isabella say, you see, Papa, he say tears come out to her eye. He say, if you see waiting, Natasha don't reduce the father to. He say, you go pity Papa. Isabella was crying. He say, Papa condition just worst. Isabella say, Two-Face and the mama say that they quarrel then. He say, but no job be like this. Hey. Isabella say, if anything happened to their papa, say that Natasha and her family. Now I no even let Two-Face come out make e come see them well. As they talk now, so he stand with them. Two-Face don't buy market. As Two-Face they talk, now so Natasha stand with them. He no give them space say papa and children won't talk. No, she stand, she dey use one eye dey look Two-Face. Like if you talk anyhow, if they go, you go collect. Two-Face, devil really punish her. Because this cannot be from God though. God not go give this kind of tough punishment. This one a devil. Devil really punish Two-Face. See how Two-Face end up. So they kidnap Two-Face for his house now. Natasha kidnapped Two-Face for his house. He kidnapped Two-Face. He don't let the children even talk to their father. Now outside, now they talk to their papa. He don't let them talk to the man. He don't let the children enter house. Hey, now wow. May be very careful. Be very, very careful. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. God bless you.